Singing any song is as important and as fun. Sometimes it's very stressful also because it's a huge opportunity. Singing for such a big project, which features such a big cast, and well, it just feels good to see your name amongst all these biggies: Vishal Dadlani, Pritam, Salman Khan, T-Series. I just got a compliment from you, and yeah, people whom I meet, they like the song, and I'm glad they're liking the song. But yeah, total credit to, I think it would be only fair to say, Vishal Dadlani and Pritam. That actually was like a pressure kind of thing, because Salman Khan, suddenly it just raises the expectation. So I'm just glad, before Salman. I hope he does not retire soon, but yeah. I have met him like a couple of times, but it was just casual. No. It's before the song I met him. After the song I had. Hey, tuna baje danka, London hoya lanka, nachenge hum जोर. आपकी रहे अनुकंपा, न डर न ही शंका, नाचेंगे हम जोर. जोगी चलाए कोई चक्कर, खिलेगा तेरा अंतर, तो आजा गुरु मंत्र, ये ले ले रे, ए ले ले ए ले ए ले ए ले ले ए ले ले, अपना पराया जो मिले झप्पी ले ले रे, चल बेटा सेल्फी ले ले रे.
And also there was some rumors that at first you were about to sing the whole song on your own, and Vishal Dadlani was the last minute addition. Is it something like that?
Yeah, they're not rumors. It is true actually. I think Vishal Dadlani is a more senior singer, and they needed probably some more energy to, so they wanted to like layer it. So like they say, more the merrier. I've had songs previously where like Pungi, and these kind of songs where there has been a requirement which the movie demands basically, or now it's like a huge celebration thing that's happening. So they somewhat needed multiple singer kind of thing, and I think it's.
So Vishal was the last minute addition.
Yeah. Well, in the beginning, to be very honest, I was very confused about the song because I never understood what the lyrics really meant, and it just felt ke saadi ke fall kabhi match kiya. It seemed like a very
The lyrics were a bit out of
yeah. So I was actually not sure about what that song would do, and yeah, Saadi Ke Fall Sa for me at least was like a big surprise, and that song really changed my life. Saadi ke fall sa kabhi match kiya re, kabhi chhod diya dil, kabhi catch kiya re, touch karke touch karke touch karke touch karke, kahan chal di bach karke, touch karke touch karke touch karke, dil se dil attach kiya re, कभी छोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे. No, that was in class 10 actually, when 9th and 10th when I got my first computer. Well, that was on a lighter note, but yeah, I had heard that sir works in the night, and it was just an excuse to be awake in the night.
Yeah, okay.
I never knew that I would be working with him, but I used to always say as a kid that even if I get to clean the toilet in A.R. Rahman's house, I would feel lucky, But God has been kind. I've been doing much more than cleaning toilet. That's the last thing. It's whenever you get a call from Rahman sir, it's a holiday for me. Going there and working for him or doing anything for him, it's just like a recreation. Watching the man in action. Mission Ustad. Oh, yeah, that's right. Actually, that's how we got to meet the man also, because we were doing the tracks, and we happened to bump to him in the studio, and he heard our work, and he liked it. He offered us to do a jingle that day, but apparently he had finished most of the chunk. So then we never heard from him, and we were just happy to have met him. Yaar, come on, yaar, Rahman meeting you, liking your work, and then offering you to do something, but that did not happen that day. So no, actually it was just a very sudden thing.
Okay.
And we were also not expecting it, but yeah, later on, after I think 4 or 5 months, he called me for to do a small live recording in Delhi 6. Gandi Baat is one of the most fun songs and that I have sung, because the words and the melody, they really are a very good marriage. This guy is like totally disappointed that he's been a nice guy and he's not getting the the response that he was expecting. So now he's going to probably turn into some sly kind of a guy. Girls like bad boys, I believe. So well, people used to ask me, it's a dirty song, what do you think about the lyrics and all that. I would just like to clarify to them it's he just goes to the point where he'll tell I'm going to talk dirty with you, but he does not talk dirty in the song. So yeah, I think it's a pretty fun song. And mothers come up to me when I'm doing a stage show, and they come up to me and say कि हमारा बच्चा आपका गंदी बात बहुत सुनता है. So I don't know. It's good actually. As a playback singer, we've grown up watching listening to singers like Kumar Sanu, Udit Narayan, and Sonu Nigam. And these guys, their voice used to just fit with, like Udit ji used to sing for Amir Khan, Salman Khan, or any actor he would sing. It would just sound very nice and bright. And that's a heroic voice, Yeah. And I really used to get a lot of compliments that my voice suits Shahid Kapoor and stuff like that. Whereas 3 songs for Shahid Kapoor. Look up birthday bhi aage piche hi. He's 25th February. I'm 24th February. And he's one of the most coolest guys and a very hardworking person. I think whatever success he has, he deserves it, and he deserves much more. Bajrangi Bhaijaan, see, Pritam Da is a different league altogether now. I'm sure in the 1 year break that he took, I think we all missed him dearly because of the kind of stuff that he does. And regardless of whatever the thing is, I think there was a vacuum with his absence. And I think Bajrangi Bhaijaan, he's just come out with the most amazing songs. Yeah, I've heard the songs. Yeah. I was during the recording stuff that was happening. I was there in the studio dubbing other songs. I think it's a great album. Pritam Da never leaves any stone unturned, and he's just the go-to guy, if you need blockbusters, and he's been proving himself for the past 10 years. Yeah, I was working on some other future projects, dubbing scratches. Yeah, exactly. Well, I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. The other albums, like, yeah, these were like the few projects that we were working on. Some audio problem, I guess. Just being with Sonakshi is like good enough for me because she's so pretty. Yeah, and it was good fun. Yeah, going to Malaysia, and Mika Singh was also part of the act. So the 3 of us, we had a great time. She was a little bit nervous before the performance, but I think she just went out there and she rocked it. Yeah. Well, the best moment I think anywhere would be performing on stage and getting. But I think one of the special moments was when Anil Kapoor came on stage to dance with us on Sari Ke Falsa. It was just too good. It's just we've been always like, I've been watching IIFA on television right from when I was in school. I think this was the 14th or 15th IIFA. I'm 30 years. 16th IIFA. So I've been watching IIFA from the age of 15, and to be there on that stage and with Anil Kapoor, who's like been मेरे माँ बाप उनके fan है, मैं उनका fan हूँ. Such a senior actor coming on stage and shaking a leg with us, it's just hard to believe. Well, I'm doing a Marathi film as a music composer. This is my 4th Marathi film, but my second independent Marathi film. The first has still not released. The name of the film is Khed. It features Subodh Bhave, who's been in Bal Gandharva and many other Marathi films. So it's a fantastic film. Bollywood, I've done singing in Bollywood, and I'm doing music in regional because the kind of music that I do is more. It's not too much in the commercial space, but yeah, in singing I live that. Well, I just hope you guys are doing what you like to do because that's very important. Abhi, if you're not doing what you like, then you're probably not doing it right.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.